Hello friends, in this video we are going to write and learn 10 lines speech on Mother Teresa. Line number 1. Good morning respected teachers and my dear friends. Line number 2. My name is Ishita and today I am honored to speak about Mother Teresa. Line number 3. Mother Teresa was a symbol of love, kindness, and selfless service. Line number 4. She was born on 26th August 1910 in Skopje. Line number 5. She devoted her life to serving poor, sick, and helpless people. Line number 6. In 1950, she founded the Missionaries of Charity in Kolkata. Line number 7. She received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 for her humanitarian work. Line number 8. She was honored with the Bharat Ratna in 1980. Line number 9. Her life teaches us the importance of compassion, humanity, and service. Line number 10. Let us follow her example and make the world a kinder place. Thank you.